Hi everybody, my name is Dave Marsh. I'd like to welcome you to this Matrix Quick Tip tutorial. And today we're going to take a look at how to create tabular stats in Matrix. Now before I begin, I'd first like to mention that because each MLS may have slightly different requirements, the system that we'll be using during this tutorial may differ slightly from the one that you're currently working with. Nevertheless, the functionality is the same, and for the most part, whatever you see during this tutorial, you'll easily recognize in your own system. All right, so for anyone who's familiar with Matrix, you already know how to search for properties that meet specific criteria. But by selecting a group of individual properties, or by selecting none at all, we're able to take the raw data and transform it into actionable insights. And we'll do this by generating tabular stats. And you'll notice that Matrix organizes each group of stats based on the criteria's status, allowing for a much more accurate market analysis. For example, as a buyer's agent, I'm able to compare the minimum, maximum, average, and median values for these key property features, which can then be leveraged to help justify my client's offer price. And while doing this, I may also notice that the average days on market is shorter than usual, which may indicate a more competitive market and a sense of urgency for my client. And listing agents can also benefit from tabular stats by pricing their property to similar listings in the area. For example, by analyzing the minimum and maximum values for key features, I'm able to determine a price range that's competitive, while still aligning with the trends in the local market. But whether it's comparing properties at a glance or making data-driven decisions, I'm now able to print this information to share with my client, as well as save the PDF to import into a CMA. All right, well, this concludes this quick tip tutorial. I'd like to thank you for watching and hope that you can join me for another session. Take care.